So are geraniums annuals or perennials? Well, let's start with these. These aren't actually geraniums, these are pelargoniums, but many people refer to them as geraniums, so it's worth covering them in this video. So pelargoniums, these beautiful pinks and red flowers that they produce, are actually tender perennials, so they would continue to grow on year after year in a climate where there is no frost. But in climates that are susceptible to frost, these will be cut down by anything over about -5 degrees. So in temperate climates we tend to grow pelargoniums as annuals, or we have to keep them in a heated greenhouse or indoors to overwinter them. If we move across the garden, we'll find some true geraniums. So these are hardy geraniums. These are herbaceous perennial plants. They will come back year after year. They'll die back in the winter, and it's November now and you can see the leaves turning yellow, but they will come up with a fresh flush of growth in spring and beautiful pinks and blues and purple flowers. They'll spread, you can divide them, propagate them that way to give you further stocks of these beautiful ground cover plants.